heading to the pet store. Fry's going to the wrong car. Come on, baby. Come over here. Come on. And there he's in. Wait.
Getting out of the car.
At Pet Mania.
At Pet Mania.
Good boy.
Go buy some treats, hurry up. You can nibble too, because we can't see you doing that.
Baby. That's a good boy. You have fun? And we're back home from the pet store. And this is what Fry got. Big bag of bones, raw bones. Hey, handsome man. You excited about your bones? Yeah? You ready to go inside and eat one? Let's go inside and eat one. Look what a sweet, attentive boy waiting for his bones. Fry, what do polite dogs do when they want a treat? Good boy, good boy. Okay, here comes your bone. Here's Fry enjoying his marrow bone that he got at Pet Mania. He says it's very delicious.